The journey begins where the petals dance in the wind. We landed in Japan, and our very first step took us into a dream, a garden painted in pink, as if the cherry blossoms were whispering welcome. This is the Uno Park. Times kind of slow down here. The air smells like spring, and the sky blushes with soft colors. And beneath it all, tiny boats. They glide quietly across the water like stories waiting to be told. This is how my adventure begins actually, not with noise, not with rush, but with peace, with flowers, and with water. And with the kind of a silence that speaks straight to our heart. Welcome to
Peace.
Japan.
As I've been already telling you about this Uno Park, where you see a lot of these kind of flowers out here. Not only this, you see many people wearing different kind of dresses, different nationalities, people around here from China, from Germany, from UK, whatnot actually. I mean mostly. And you see many people from Japan obviously exploring this beautiful park. And with that you see these beautiful lakes out here, as you see out here. These are the beautiful lakes जिसमें अपना एक अलग ही मज़ा आता है. I guess it used to have like at India Gate we used to have these kind of things in earlier days. I don't know, I don't think so now they still have this kind of facility, I mean these kind of activities out there. So yeah, definitely for people out here in spring season it's a different experience. Although like you come, you eat different types of food here, you see different types of beautiful places around. There are every kind of food that you can get. Definitely Japanese food is there, Turkish food is there, and with that amazing people, which are like Japanese people definitely are helpful also. They're respectful towards you. Maybe it's just in their culture and tradition. It's not like they might not really be angry, it's not like that, but yeah, it's kind of that their tradition that they kind of act towards the people around with a respectful way. It's a good thing. So as you see, people are enjoying in the boat and having a good time all together. Well, I came from that side also. If you see the other side around here, there are all jewelries, people are selling great amount of food. They are selling, obviously there is a lot of poco out there, but you have to be careful. If you want to eat something better, you can have a good experience of food here as well. So let's move out to the next thing and see some different things over here as well. But mostly you see these beautiful flowers, which in spring like autumn season, this Japan is famous for sure. And if I can see, there are amazing buildings. Buildings, देखो इतनी सारी buildings हैं कि these not only these buildings actually, जहाँ मैं पीछे से आया तो वहाँ पर भी there are lot of buildings out there. और हर कोई बस enjoy कर रहा है, pictures click करवा रहा है, और सबका different experience होता है यहाँ पर. So I am still traveling solo, and this is an amazing trip for sure because I'm enjoying it. Okay. So we are again heading towards this Yansin now this time. Now it is actually famous for lots of, you can take different types of photos, great cafes out there for sure. And also from here, this is something called Uno Park, as I mentioned to you so many times in the vlog. There is a walk from 15 to 20 minutes, and as you walk there, you have to take the train to the Nippori station, which is kind of amazing. Something like that. Nippori station is the name, like might be pronouncing not correctly, but it's like kind of that. And we can have some amazing photographs. So let me take you there, guys. Are you ready? Okay. Arigato gozaimasu. Guys, this is how Tokyo roads look like, and it's very clean. Definitely. Look at the buildings. The architecture is amazing, and look at this building, guys. Oh my goodness. If you see from the down, it's just so tall. And not only this, people are definitely following the rules out here and whatnot. And that's what makes Japan a amazing country to see. That's why, guys, you see these streets here that much clean, because everybody's saying and talking about cleanliness here, and it's true. There is so much cleanliness, and you can only see these things when you explore by walking actually, like maybe 12 to 15 kilometers a day, and watch the streets, everything, local people, how they are living, how the houses are and everything. So it's amazing to see this for sure.